Welcome back to Interactive. In this video, you'll learn how PreferencePro helps you create all the reports needed to manage your business. You'll see how PreferencePro's reports can be customized to focus on specific market segments. And you'll see how you can schedule PreferencePro's fully automated reports to meet your needs. To begin, log in to PreferencePro's Admin Control Panel. Select the Analytics menu and click on any report that you want to automate. One of my favorite reports is the List Health Dashboard because it tells you at a glance how your list is doing. So instead of manually generating this report, you can have PreferencePro do the work for you. Say you'd like to review this report monthly. So we'll customize the date range to last month. Then click the clock icon in the upper right to schedule your automated report. Depending on the type of data, you can select from 3 report formats. You can title your work, select a schedule, and choose the recipients who will receive your report. So with PreferencePro, your entire team will be fully informed and on the same page at your next meeting. Another automated report I like to see is a message summary report that totals all of the clicks generated last quarter. This report can be precisely targeted using filters. Since the default report includes test campaigns, we're going to exclude these results. Sort by campaign type, then customize the date range, select an export format, name your report, and choose your recipients. To manage all your scheduled reports in PreferencePro, select the Analytics menu and click Scheduled Analytics. From here, you can easily view the status of your scheduled reports, edit your report settings, or delete a report if it's no longer needed. But that's all it takes to set up automated reports in PreferencePro. To learn more, visit us at www.vinteractive.com or search help.listtrack.com to answers and expert advice for getting the most out of PreferencePro.